Class, let us continue the same topic, memories of childhood, part 1, the cutting of my long hair. Now, next passage is a pale faced woman with white hair came up after us. We were placed in a line of girls who were marching into the dining room. These were Indian girls in stiff shoes and closely clinging dresses. The small girls wore sleeved aprons and shingled hair. As I walked noiselessly in my soft moccasins, I felt like sinking to the floor, for my blanket had been stripped from my shoulders. I looked hard at the Indian girls, who seemed not to care that they were even more immodestly dressed than I. In their tightly fitting clothes, while we marched in, the boys entered at an opposite door. I watched for the three young braves who came in our party. I spied them in the rear ranks, looking as uncomfortable as I felt. A small bell was tapped, and each of the pupils drew a chair from under the table. Supposing this act meant they were to be seated, I pulled out mine and at once slipped into it from one side. But when I turned my head, I saw that I was the only one seated, and all the rest at all our table remained standing. Just as I began to rise, looking shyly around to see how chairs were to be used, a second bell was sounded. All were seated at last, and I had to crawl back into my chair again. I heard a man's voice at one end of the hall, and I looked around to see him, but all the others hung their heads over their plates. As I glanced at the long chain of tables, I caught the eyes of a pale faced woman upon me. Immediately I dropped my eyes, wondering why I was so keenly watched. By the strange woman, the man seized his mutterings, and then a third bell was tapped. Everyone picked up his knife and fork and began eating. I began crying. Instead, for this time, I was afraid to venture anything more. Pale face means here yellow face. Clinging means tight dress. Singled means cutting off hair. Moccasins means slipper or shoe. Immodest means indecent. Spied means notice or spot. Rear ranks means last. Mutterings means privately explained complaints. Venture means here a risky task. Now let us have the explanation. A woman with yellow face and white hair went up to see the girls. Jitklasa was placed in the line of the girls who were heading towards the dining hall. She describes that they were the Indian girls who were wearing hard shoes and tight dresses. The small girls were wearing sleeved aprons and their hairs were cut short. Jitklasa was walking without making any noise of her shoes. She felt so ashamed when her blanket, means a scarf or shawl, was removed from her shoulders. All the other Indian girls seemed to be very indecent to her, as all of them were wearing tight clothes, which were not a good thing as per the writer. As they were going to the dining room, the boys came from the opposite door. The writer notices the three boys who, according to her, were brave. She says so because they were also the new entrants into the school and were not wearing the dress like others. She looked at them while they were standing behind her. They were also not comfortable like her. A small bell rang, and all the students dragged their chairs. The writer also pulled her chair, and she at once gets seated, but she found herself being noticed by all others as none of them had seated, the next bell rang, and all the others seated themselves. The writer also did it once again, just to mend her mistake. Suddenly she heard a manly voice from one corner of the room. She tries to see the man, but found everyone looking down towards their plates. While she was looking at them, she saw that the yellow faced woman was constantly looking at her. She dropped her eyes but was feeling uncomfortable about being watched like this. The man stopped speaking, and with the ringing of the bell for the third time, all of them picked up their forks and knives. The writer got so afraid by the time that she started crying, as she didn't want to get into such a risky task anymore. So, this is the explanation of the above passage. Further explanations will be made in the next class. Thank you.